Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you HotSchedules, how to request time off. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end. Follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your HotSchedules app, and once you're inside here, tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen. And once you do that, here what you need to do is tap on time off and request. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on this plus icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you do that, here what you need to do is select time off needed. And once you do that, here you will be sent to time off needed page. Now your earliest availability for the most requests will be given, and deadline to request this day will also be given. Now what you need to do is select the start date of your time off and the end date of your time off by simply tapping on both of them. And you can also select turn off the all day on and select couple of hours that you need for your work or free time. You can also add comments as well. And once all that's done, what you need to do is tap on done. And once you do that, here on the time of request, here you can see your approval has been pending, and once that's approved, that time or that day will be, if this is approved, and once it's approved, you'll be able to successfully have your time off. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.